You know, in them time here, when you try to get a work, it's not really easy. But when you try to get a work, you must tell the boss man your right name. Your name Philip, your name Mark or Andrew, tell the man what your name. The boy go look some work one day for a man on a farm. And the man said to the little youth, say, what kind of work you can do? Boy said, I'm going to go on to work. I'm in a big boy. You can do any little thing on the farm and in your yard or anywhere around the house. Want to work? You know, the man like, he that now go ask himself. But what kind of work you can do, little boy? What kind of work you can do? You know, so me can dig hole. Me dig hole hard and wicked. Me can dig, me a digger. So the man just come up with a big statement. So what is your name? What them call you? Me them call fuck it harder, so me, them call me fuck it harder. What kind of name that? Fuck it harder. Somebody can name fuck it harder. And so them call me, so everywhere me go work, I so them call me, sir. Everywhere me go, so them call me. And let me district, I so them call me, sir. Anyway, go up on my yard. Me make you get to work. On the farm, or up on the yard. Go up on my yard. Go up and say some big blows, nice same chuck. Tell my wife to give you something. You hear me say? And hurry up. Go on. Oh, so she not go give me so, you know. You have to call her and tell her. Yes, as you reach up, then I'll call her. And, you know, the youth get the work. He get the work. But the man knows his name. Such man name. So the youth go up at the yard and say, Miss Brown. Miss Brown. Miss Brown. Yes, what you want? Who's who calling out my name? Miss Brown, your husband say you must give me the something right now. But my husband can't just tell if he give you something like that. He must call me and talk to me about that. He not say me not give nobody the something. But him say me feet, mama, and say if he give me it right now. You see your husband all tell me what to do. Wifey. Hello, wifey. I wonder if she hear me do it. Miss Brown. Yes, dear. Give him the something. Just one young fella come up there. He say him a digger and he can't dig hole. I mean, I give him some work. Give him the something, them. Give him the something. All right, dear. All right. I first knew you tell me to give him the something. Anyway, the woman full of fuck. The woman give me now. Yeah, the woman give. The woman take off his clothes, lie down on the bed, and tell the boy if he come. It's fat, don't look good. I'll ram it up. I'll stab it up hard. And he must stab it up, because I know the woman give me something, say, I'll stab it up. So, the husband can't see boy coming up, so you're the husband lick out. Fuck it harder. You're the boy lick out. You hear what your husband has something for to do. You hear what your husband has something for to do. Hear them. Listen out the door. Fuck it harder. And I really that my husband has said. I tell you if you do me. And that's him I tell you if you do me. But fuck it harder. But him brighter out harder. Fuck it harder. Hurry up. Yes, sir. Hurry up, boy. Hurry up. And that me I do, so me I try hurry up. Fuck it harder. Yeah, me I hurry up. Blood clad fool. Can't tell woman about husband say he give me something. And the husband not require and tell him say the shovel and the digger and the something. The wife give him a little salt. The wife give him a sex. And he take it and the husband and ball out in him. Fuck it harder. But the wife think he must say fuck it harder, but he don't know say I call the boy name, because the boy don't tell the husband, so I saw his name, fuck it harder, and the boy, fuck your wife